Alright guys, I think we're live. Do I have to be this way? Let me see if I can go this way. Because I want it to be horizontal.
What is horizontal?
It's telling me that we have to do this vertically. Sorry, dudes. So, hi. My name is Bethany and I blog at Reality Daydream, and here are my little tykes. This is Paisley and Della and Lil Cypress over there, and we are going to blow out eggs live with the children right now. These girls are laughing. We're gonna do this, and there might be some broken eggs, but we're just gonna roll with it and be super chill parents, right?
We're not parents.
I'm a parent, and I'm gonna be very chill. So I'm gonna try and get this set up and turned around for you guys on the tripod. How do I turn this around? There we go. Hey girls, hey. Let's see if we can do this. Oh. So what we're going to end up doing with these eggs that we're blowing is we're going to decorate them and add them to our Easter tree here, which is just some fake pussy willows that I put in a vase. And so we're going to blow the egg, the gooey egg part out of the egg with a teeny little hole, and yeah, then we're going to wash them up and decorate them. Are you ready, sis?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's your rice cake? Good. Okay, you guys that are on here, can you just comment and tell us where you're from and how old your kids are, and if you've ever tried blowing eggs before, let alone with your children? I'd love to know. So if this is going to be sideways for y'all, I'm very sorry, but it's just what we have to do. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. Yes, so let's do a hole. Yes. Can I see that, Cypress? Thank you. So we've got our egg here, and I have a little thumbtack. Hey, Penny. Oh, Penny's kids are all grown, but she used to do it every year. I love knowing that. It's possible to do with little kids. Honey, before you come down the stairs, we're live. Put your pants on. Just kidding. So you can see I'm poking this little needle. I've got the hole there, but I'm going to kind of keep poking around it to make the hole bigger. And the egg might explode.
We did this yesterday.
Yeah, we've been practicing a little bit.
And then we started doing this today.
Kelly's kids are 18 and 15. Oh, they've done it for years too. No, we don't need to show them our dog though. What does this mean, honey?
No, I can't read it.
Will you take it off and figure it out?
Sorry, guys.
Right.
Reconnect.
Look in there.
Are you guys still there? We might have gotten disconnected. Holly's watching. Hey, Holly.
What's up?
Long time no talkie. I feel like this could be a disaster. Live in front of the masses.
Mom.
So that hole is okay. I'm going to kind of like try to make it a little bit bigger to make it easier for the kiddos to blow out. Ah! And it cracked. So we're going to start over.
A big crack.
Quick!
This is going exactly how I imagined it would.
Don't crack that one.
Ah! Honey.
Worked perfect on all of them last year.
This. I know. We tried this yesterday and it went a lot better than this.
Hand drill bit?
Be careful.
Would a drill bit work better?
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe the masses know. Sounds like there's some pretty experienced people.
Yeah. What do you guys use that doesn't break the eggs like I'm doing right now? I need all of your secrets.
You could use a
So that side is okay.
You could use a screwdriver. You could use
Oh, Scotch tape first, then poke.
Oh, that's a really smart idea.
His
Thanks for holding that, honey.
You're so welcome. I like to narrate anyway.
Yeah.
My sister's holding my hair in a ponytail.
That is very silly.
My belly hurts.
Oh, Paisley. Okay, I think that hole's good. Maybe a little bit bigger since the kiddos. I know. I'm trying not to. Okay,
Can I
ready?
Can I blow
Who
it?
wants to blow it first? Oh my goodness, all the children. Okay, Dell, you do this. Paige, sit down. Hey, let me hold this. Sit your tush down. Okay, the big hole's on the bottom, so you're going to blow in this hole, and don't squeeze it while you're blowing.
Okay. What?
Oh, she like sucked it in.
Ew.
Is it coming out? Yeah, it's coming.
Keep going.
You want me to get it started for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a big bubble. It's
It is like a
it's
big
like
bubble.
I'm puking up a big egg.
Man, maybe we need to make it bigger.
Oh, it's coming out. Yeah.
You want to keep going?
Yeah.
It's like a big puddle of snot.
Ew. It looks like an egg coming out of an egg.
Wonder if it makes a difference if they're warm.
Here, let me make your
Versus
hole a
cold.
little bit bigger.
Ew. If it doesn't
Oh, it
work,
cracked a little bit.
it's okay.
We're gonna just keep on.
Deal with it.
Deal with it, sister.
I do
Okay,
it?
there's a tiny crack right there, so just be super gentle. Yeah,
Oh,
now
there we
it's
go.
coming out.
You take it. Oh, we have Scotch tape.
Get it, girl.
Ew, the yellow stuff is coming out.
It's the yolk, sister.
It's gross. Ew.
All right. Good job.
It comes out so fast.
Yeah, it does. Okay. So, hold on. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Okay.
I'm going to set this over here.
Can I do another one?
It's going to be Paisley's turn. Let me attach this phone back up here so I can be hands-free.
What does hands-free mean?
Hands-free means that I don't need to be holding my phone. You got me a piece of Scotch tape?
No, packing tape though.
Oh.
I don't think we have Scotch tape.
I feel like taking the packing tape off.
Won't be hard.
Yeah.
Let's give it a go.
Please use tooted.
Let's not talk about our toots live on camera.
Please don't do that, Paisley.
Can I hold this one?
Sonia says that we should use a longer needle and bust the yolk so it'll come out faster. That's a good thought.
Bust the yolk. What does that mean?
So the yolk on the inside is like a circle, like a sphere. Yeah, and that's the hard part to blow out because it's kind of got a skin on it.
Like this stuff?
Okay, that side's good.
Like this stuff, Mom?
Should I leave this on, Penny, while we blow? I think I'm going to leave it on. Grab me another piece of tape. I'm afraid to take it off.
Don't.
Here we go.
Oh, it's wet.
A longer needle.
Thank you. One moment.
A sewing needle.
Wet.
You can do a sewing needle too.
Yeah, that's what Daddy got for me. There's a longer needle.
Pierce my ears.
Ew.
Ew.
This needle is thicker, so I'm nervous to jam it in there.
Oh, we'll do it after the other thing.
Yeah, I'm going to. So before I let my children put their mouths on these eggs, I did wash them with soapy water. So
Don't stick it.
For anyone that was worried about that. There, we've got a hole going. Let's get out that longer needle.
Did you get your head out?
Poke it, honey.
Pretty sure I poked out the yolk.
Stick up, Cypress.
Oh, yep. See, there's the yellow from the...
Can I see?
Okay, I'm going to go back to my
Yeah.
smaller guy now that's easier to hold on to.
Instead of this, because this doesn't have like a thing to hold on, except this thing. They can just...
Oh, yeah. It's a much better hole. All right, sisters. Whose turn is it?
Me, Paisley.
Okay, let me take this tape off.
Paisley.
Paisy?
Pawsy.
Okay.
Paisley.
You can leave that tape on the bottom one for now.
Oh, it's coming out. Yeah, it's coming out. Yeah.
Woohoo! Careful not to squeeze it.
The yellow stuff is coming out. This is hard.
Almost.
Ew.
Get it.
No, don't leave it. I'm trying not to.
Hey guys, while we're waiting for this girl, tell me about some of your Easter traditions. Does anyone do an Easter tree like this with some hollow decorated eggs?
Or does anyone do an Easter hunt? Please look at the bubble. Anybody do spring baskets?
Spring baskets? I think we're the only people in the world that do spring baskets instead of Easter baskets.
We do both.
Both. Paisley, do not break that egg. Okay, you can just leave that. We'll take that off later.
Can I do one?
Cool, we got it empty. They're so light.
Can I do one, please?
Yeah.
This is weird.
Oh, Angie's watching. Hey, girl, hey.
Can you with the kids?
I don't know if her kids are watching. There's really no way for me to know that.
With Caroline and those?
Yes, Caroline, Susanna, and baby Matilda.
Yeah. Cute baby.
All right, sisters. Should we... Let's put another little piece of tape on here.
Okay. I'm a fairy godmother.
Oh, my. You girls are a little bit crazy.
We're not crazy. Cypress is it. Cypress shake it, girl. Shake it. Cypress is it.
Hey, Ange.
So, read that.
Is this inspiring anyone to try doing this with your kids?
Super easy.
or is it scaring you away from it? I will be your guinea pig, so you'll know just exactly how it's going to go.
Hi, Matilda.
Ange, do you hear these girls? Oh, she has Fixer Upper on. Okay, I think that one is good. Dry this off a little bit.
Just don't lose all these.
I love this idea of using the tape. It seems to be working really well when I have the actual egg dry. Can I have another piece of tape, baby?
Baby!
Tape right there.
And with the needle, that really helped too.
Yeah, did it help having the yolk already broken?
Yeah. Someone's here. Whoever had the idea was great.
What a smart person.
Yeah, whoever it was.
Whoever it was. That one's not sticking. I'm just going to roll with it. Remember how we're just rolling with it and just going with the flow?
Mom,
What?
John, like, do not set it somewhere
Why are you under the table?
to get sources of tape.
Oh.
To get the tape. Tapey tape. So, big. Here goes Cypress.
Remember, if you break your egg, eggs are cheap. See, I got that hole a little big, but it's okay. It just means that it's going to blow out really easily
Yeah, I want that
if the girl doesn't break it.
I want that one so bad.
I believe that it's Dell's turn.
Yeah, and I can
Blow out like a 6-month baby.
Oh, honey.
Let me do it.
Oh, my goodness.
Let me do it right
I
now.
can't believe you just said that. Where's my long needle? Can I have that, little child? Should we pop that sucker?
Pop. Yeah! I'm gonna pop it. Pop, pop. Ew, I can see it.
Okay, it's coming out. Go for it, sis.
Sister. Oh yeah. Looks. Oh, yeah. Ew. Tell us your opinion of how gross that is.
Paisley wants your opinion on how gross that is.
The gels coming out. What it looks like.
Ooh.
Looks like snot to me.
It does indeed look like snot.
Yeah. If it looks like snow or rain falling. Monica is out.
I
Yeah.
think you got it pretty good. All right, peeps, we're going to sign off here. We just wanted to show you the action. We are going to wash these up. Well, we'll finish doing these eggs, and then we'll wash these up with some antibacterial spray.
And then put
And
some
then
tape.
we're going to paint them with some watercolors and some washi tape.
And then put them on the tree.
And put them on our tree. La 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 la. So thanks for tuning in. I might publish a blog post about this later this week, so we'll see. Say bye, girls.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.